Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you the new free Auto GPT in your browser. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. Today, we're going to talk about Bardeen, the new free Auto GPT in your browser that you can download as an extension. If you're looking to automate manual work and streamline your tasks, Bardeen is here to revolutionize your productivity. Bardeen is an advanced language model powered by Bardeen AI technology designed to assist you in automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks. With Bardeen, you can automate various manual processes such as generate text, answer questions, summarize information, and much more. The best part is that Bardeen is accessible through your browser, eliminating the need for complex installation or setup. So whether you're a professional, a student, or simply someone seeking to optimize their workflow, Bardeen can be a virtual assistant, saving you time and effort. In this guide, we will walk you through the features and capabilities of Bardeen, including how to access and utilize its powerful automation capabilities. So let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to do is of course install Bardeen as an extension to our browser. Now to go to this website over here, what you're going to do is you're going to open a new tab and then you're going to type in Bardeen AI extension. Click on enter and then you're going to see this very first link over here. Now ensure that you are going to click on the Google link and not the other links over here, although you can also open them on Bardeen itself so that you will be able to see more information on how to use Bardeen and what Bardeen is all about. Now for us, we're going to click on the URL link over here and now we will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store where you can download any type of extension available for your browser. Now similarly, Bardeen is a extension right now wherein we will be able to use it on any website that we want. So we're going to add this to our browser by simply clicking on add and add extension just like that. So we're going to wait for it to install into our browser. And just like that, Bardeen has been added to our Opera browser. Now it will automatically open this new tab wherein it's asking us to sign in, or we could create an account also through Bardeen. We first need to log in before we could access any of its features. Now you could log in using your email address and password, or you could continue with Google and GitHub over here. If you don't have an account, you simply click on create account and you will be able to create your account just like this. The sign up process is very simple. You don't need to you don't need to have some verification email, stuff like that. All you need to do is to enter your email and password and you will be able to create your account right away. And now after logging in, another tab will open, which is this tab over here, and we will be able to see our pop-up over here of our Bardeen application. Now we're going to give you a quick tour of what our Bardeen looks like. This is where we can enter our prompt over here on the top. This is like the search bar, and we're going to explore a bit on how we could do this. So let's explore right now. The first thing we're going to check out is the playbooks over here. Our playbooks is basically like a workflow, the different things that we could do and integrate with different applications. As you can see here, for example, we will be able to send an SMS with the current meeting link. It could integrate different applications like Google Meet and WhatsApp over here. Also, there's call with WebEx, join current meeting, and all of those stuff with the workbook. You could also check out that Autobox over here, basically like an automotive workflow where it will automatically do the things that you have assigned it to do. For example, here, a tweet to Google Sheets and translate it with a Twitter user tweets over here. You could use this as an automation for your Twitter, and there are different things you could use. We have product development, personal productivity, and for marketing over here. They are categorized in a line just like this. You could also check out Scraper over here, which would allow you to create scraping, wherein it will scrape data from whatever website you're using. For example, we could have Twitter, and you ask it to scrape the data information like the username, the time and date wherein the tweet has been posted, and then the description of the post. You could scrape all of those stuff and put it on a Google Sheet. So we're going to check that out later on. But for now, we're going to explore our section over here. Now you could also type in whatever you would like to do. There are also suggestions in this section, and this will allow you to automate or like have an easier time managing the things you need to do with your computer. Another example here is like, we're going to scroll down a bit. You could create a tweet with OpenAI. You could use this. For example, we're going to open this and we're going to type in what the tweet is about. For example, I would like to have a tweet about dogs. And we could have here a suggestion. So we're going to do that and run without saving. If you would like to save this playbook, you can simply save it and choose the other option we chose earlier. Now, as you can see here, it's going to create a tweet with OpenAI using dogs as the topic. And as you can see here, we are required to download our OpenAI output over here, but we could click on download. And as you can see, this will be our tweet over here. Dogs are simply the best. They're loyal, loving, and always there for you whenever you need a cuddly buddy or running partner. And it has generated this as a prompt for us or as a Twitter message for us. Now there are other playbooks over here wherein it will automatically post it into our Twitter, but you will have to look for that. But as you can see, an example is copy tweets from a profile to Coda and translate them over here. There are a lot of different integrations, different flows over here, and like I said, you can simply type in whatever you need to do and or look through the different suggestions over here of what it can do. Autobooks and playbooks are a bit different. For the playbooks, this is just like a one-time go, and for the autobooks, this will automatically happen as you go through different websites. And for the scraper, we could create this actually. We could go and click on new template and we could choose from single page or list or table over here. For single page, we could get data from individual page such as user profile or article page, or we could scrape multiple items from a list. For example, get a list of products or profile from a scratch. And we could use this. For example, I'm going to start building and we're going to open a new website for the meantime. We're going to go with Twitter, in home, and we're going to use our Twitter over here as an example. We're going to skip this, open our extension and open it over here, and we're going to go with scraper, new scraper, list all tables, start building, and now we're going to legate. This is our username over here, this is our name, username, and we're going to go with infinite scroll, and we're going to scroll down and it will automatically add those things that we are choosing. So we could get text, get data, and as you can see here, our first table is like the name. And like we could do this for all of these things, get text, stuff like that. And we're going to infinite scroll and it will scan through all the different text that we are seeing right now. And after that, you could save template. We could see it over here. As you can see, scrape data on active tab over here. And like we could add another step over here, another action or another condition. We could click on done. And our playbook is saved. We could open this, running scrape data on an active tab, and now the action that we have done will be saved as a playbook. So whenever we click this, and as you can see, it made a mistake because we're not opening or we aren't showing a proper thing for our Twitter over here, but it's going to do that. Right now it's a bit confusing because we're having a hard time utilizing it, making it show properly, but that is how you will be able to use Bardeen. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.